Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. So in order to do so, firstly open Instagram app, then make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now tap on the three lines option at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you come here, simply scroll down below till the bottom. And under more info and support, tap on the option of help. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, tap on report a problem. Now once you come here, you have to briefly explain what happened or what your issue is. Then you can see what I have typed in here. If you wish to, you can also send a screenshot or upload a photo regarding your issue and tap on send at the top right corner. Now, after you have submitted your report, Instagram will reach out to you within a few hours or a few days regarding how you can fix your issue. Now, another step to solve your problem is that open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In my case, I'm just gonna launch App Store. Now, once you come here, go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. Here we go. Now, tap open the app on top. Now, once you come here, if you see the option of update, like you see it in my case, just tap on it and make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. As broadcast channel feature is a new feature on the app, if your app is not updated, you may not get the latest features provided to you by the application. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to solve your problem. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.